Hello YouTube, we're going to change this nasty dirty old seat cover. The new one's black. This one could be used in someone's vehicle if you washed it. It's just so old. But we're going to take this off and show you how bad the seat is under here. We do have some foam we're going to put in there and duct tape or whatever, so you can almost see the dents in it. Here, get the camera down here. There, get in frame. So you can almost see it. So stay tuned, we'll get this one ripped out of here. Okay, this is not going to be a how to install video, but see where the loops are? I'm going to use paracord instead of the rope they give me. And then you got one down here. So when you figure when your seat's folded back, this pulls here, this ties up this way. This goes down this way. I think you know what I mean. I showed that in another video. My red flag in case I got anything. The old fan belts, which are still good. Some gas line and hose. One of my toolboxes. The other one I got to get put back in here too, but just junky old speakers. Nothing special in this old thing for stereo. Okay, too long on showing all that garbage. Let's get this thing out here so you can see the seat. Okay, focus. This is kind of how they hook in the front. See these two strings? You got to go down underneath something and come back up and tie to the seat cover. Think you know what I mean? Here's the kind of junk you have in your seat pouch. Kind of a pocket knife I didn't know I even had. Screwdriver, wrench, for whatever reason. Okay, let's back to work, get this thing out of here. Okay, this is the original seat. Ain't it a shame? Look at that. I thought about maybe finding an upholsterer or whatever, but if they charge to replace this material with something and save the original vinyl, just put a seat cover on. You can see what I mean about all this foam. We're gonna cut this out or whatever. We're probably gonna cut this all off and try to lay some foam down there where it's shot. We have some out of an office chair because this is just bad. I mean, you get over here and you can tell where it's really nice. You can tell right here where it just, see where it's cracked, where it's caving in. You sink in too much. Think get the idea. We don't care if it's got duct tape, whatever over it. Just hold the foam in place till we get the seat cover on. So we're going to wipe down some of the dirt, dust. We don't want that coming through the new seat cover. So stay tuned. This might be a day before I get the new one on. I just wanted to get ripped off here today. It's pretty hot out. It's almost 90 again. I mowed my yard this morning, but stay tuned for more. Okay, don't know if this is the right way. There's the foam out of an office chair I saved. This tape is equal to Gorilla Tape. I have tested both of them. This is an off-brand. Found at a home supply store. It's just as sticky. I just got rid of all this. I'm going to try to tape down over here. I may try to sew, after I put the tape, I may actually try to sew through the duct tape. Maybe. I just need this to stay there and hold the foam in that I put in there so I get the seat cover on, but we don't want this falling down. So there might be some string in there or something. Sewed cord pulled through somewhere, like bat down through. Who knows? We'll see. We're going to get this crap out of here because it is all rotted. It is really bad shape. So stay tuned for more. Okay, we got a cheapy steak knife. And this stuff's thicker than I thought. We cut it about that far. And we're just going to rip it. Watch. We're just going to try to tear it out so we can get better foam in there. And we got plenty enough for thickness there. So we're going to get this nasty crap out of it and we'll get the good stuff fitted down in there. Who knows how much further that goes down in there. I could poke a hole in it and find out. Serious. That's probably 3 inches more. We just want the top layer out of here. Stay tuned. Trust me, it'll be better than when I'm done than what it is now. Okay, that's what worked, man. Sawed down with the steak knife, and I just been pulling out little pieces. See all of it down there? I just been kind of pulling it, making even. So I get like an even depth. So what I think that's going to be doubled. Back in the frame now. I think you get the hint. I said that stuff's thick. That stuff goes way down in there. Anyway, it goes probably 3 more inches. I mean, the springs are still good. Okay, enough chat, more work. Okay, it's the only way I can fit this stuff. There's going to be a seam here, but here, we'll pull this up. We're getting it fitted in here. This is what we got underneath. We got another piece of this, so we're not going to go any deeper. It's going to be good enough. We do have some plastic vinyl stuff we might tape on here. If we do, you'll see it. It would save on using all that tape over and over on top here, so we'll dig it out. It's like a cheap plastic vinyl tablecloth is what it actually is. So it's just something to cover this to hold the foam in there. Stay tuned for more. Okay, this plastic's not much better than a trash bag, but we're going to pull it over here and tape it. See, then we'll tape in the front. So tape will probably stick better to this than the foam. So just has to stay there long enough to get the seat cover on, and I think it'll stay there afterwards. We'll see. Okay, this is the best we could do. This stuff's doubled, like I said. It ain't much better than a trash bag, but it has like a weave to it. You hear that when you scratch it? Just a plastic vinyl tablecloth is what it was from throwaway. There you go. We're going to call this part 1. Part 2 will be putting the seat cover on. So, thanks for watching. Oh, and it's taped back behind there. I'll try to get a picture.